Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Newteco. In this video we are going to talk about HubSpot.com. HubSpot is a website where you can get free courses with certificate. So watch the video till the end. At the end of the video I will show you how can you download the certificate for free. So let's get started. The link of the website is given in the description. Just click on that link and you will be redirected here. Let's go through the overview of the website. As you can see, there is a category here. Just click on the category and you will get a marketing, sales, web design courses here. And in the duration you will get 30 minutes to 3+ hour courses. And in the HubSpot software you will see some like categories only. After that there are levels. Just clicking on level you can get beginner, intermediate, advanced courses. After that, as you can see, there are so many courses such as social media marketing, inbound marketing, content marketing, email marketing. So many courses are there. You can enroll in whichever course you want. If you want another courses, you can search here. These courses are basically for sales and marketing students. So let's enroll into the course. For example, if I want to enroll in the content marketing, I will click start now here. After that you need to sign up here. You can sign up through Google or just enter your first name, last name, email ID and create your account. So first I will create my account here. After completing the sign up process, we will be redirected to the course. As you can see in the right hand side, here is the intro to the content marketing. Just we will scroll down little bit. Here you can see so many videos of your courses, and in the left hand side you will get a study material. You can just download by clicking here. After watching all the videos, at last there is an option of exam. Just click on the exam. After clicking on exam, there are some instructions here. The total questions are 60. 1 hour to complete the exam. At least 45 questions should be right. And if you want to give another attempt, you have to wait for 12 hours. And you have to complete the exam within 3 hours. Okay? After reading this instruction, just click on the start exam. As you can see, my exam has been started. After completing the exam, if you have passed, you will get a certificate. So as you can see guys, this is my certificate. Here is my name and I have scored 53 out of 60. Just you can view your certificate by clicking on here. So as you can see, this is the certificate guys for content marketing. Here is my name. I can directly download the certificate or add to the link in. Another way you can download your certificate is by clicking on my learning. After clicking on my learning, there are two options: in progress and completed. Just click on completed. Here you can see your course content marketing which is completed. Now you click on view certification. So you can see friends, this is a certificate you can download from here also. So that's all for today guys. If you have any questions regarding enrolling in the course or downloading a certificate, you can ask me in the comment box. And if you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel. That's it for today guys. Thank you.